I'm gonna get the new bezels for the Foglamps and DRL in place. Remember I mentioned the broken fog lamp, sorry. This is what we're gonna replace here first. So yeah. You see it? So I have the broken fog lamp out. I'm gonna swap it out now. As you can see, broken fog lamp is out and it's replaced in the new bezel. This is the old one, so side by side. So fog lamps are in. We're going to put the bezels back in and start running the wiring now. We're also doing LED upgrades for this, as mentioned. So headlights, fog lights, and we're going to also set up our driver for the DRLs. We're doing a few stop, right? We'll keep everything OEM, no catch up business. We'll do it properly. So that's next. Doing a mock-up test fit. Bumper is on. It's secure enough, but let's see the LED headlights and fog lights. Yeah. Headlight. And of course, park lights have been upgraded too. So you're not seeing the DRLs as yet. I have not wired it to come on just like that. The way it's hardwired, it doesn't have to be started. So it's either when it's started or when the car is on. So that's when you see the DRLs come in. So for now, you're not going to see that just yet. Alright? Indicators now. I get those wired in. Then you will see the real magic. Yep. Yeah, wire strippers. Now make nobody come and use now. Yep, wire strippers. No? Don't be cheap. Ready for the bad part now? Alright. Yes, boom. And guess what? You ready? Check me out. That's called sequential. Alright, so the old reflectors are out. I'm gonna drop in these now.